Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another challenging and interesting question from exponential equations. And here we have to find out real solutions. So let's get started by writing our exponential function a power x. It is always greater than 0 for real x. So denominator will be greater than 0. I can cross multiply. So I'll be writing 36 power x minus 25 power x minus 16 power x minus 9 power x equal to 2 times 20 power x plus 15 power x plus 12 power x. Now I will factorize 20, 15 and 12. And I will write 25 as 5 square, 16 4 square, 9 3 square. Let us write 36 power x minus 5 square whole power x minus 4 square whole power x minus 3 square whole power x equal to 2 times 20. We can factor 5 times 4. So 5 power x times 4 power x. 15 can be written as 5 times 3. So 5 power x times 3 power x. And 12 can be factorized as 4 times 3. So I will be writing 3 power x times 4 power x. Now I will write one property from exponents. A power b whole power c, it is a power c whole power b. So we can swap these powers here also and here also. So I will be writing my equation as now I will take these three negative terms to RHS. So 36 power x equal to 5 power x whole square plus 4 power x whole square plus 3 power x whole square plus 2 times 5 power x times 4 power x plus 4 power x times 3 power x plus 3 power x times 5 power x. Now RHS is recalling one algebraic formula. If I will consider 5 power x as a, then a square, 4 power x as b, b square, 3 power x is c, c square, then it is 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. So this is equal to A plus B plus C whole square. Let us replace our RHS by 5 power x plus 4 power x plus 3 power x whole square. Now I can consider 36 also as 6 power 2 equal to 3 power x plus 4 power x plus 5 power x whole square. Again using same exponent property, I can write here 6 power x whole square equal to 3 power x plus 4 power x plus 5 power x whole square. Now let us consider square root both sides. So I can write 3 power x plus 4 power x plus 5 power x equal to plus minus 6 power x. Now we know that exponential functions always greater than 0. So 6 power x will be always positive. One positive number, it should be equal to positive number. So this minus sign we will reject. So we will write minus sign is rejected. So I can write 3 power x plus 4 power x plus 5 power x will be equal to 6 power x only. Now I will divide both sides by 6 power x. So I can write 3 power x plus 5 power x plus 4 power x divided by 6 power x equal to 6 power x over 6 power x, as 6 power x cannot be equal to 0. Now I will split my numerator. So I can write 3 over 6 whole power x plus 4 over 6 whole power x, 5 over 6 whole power x equal to 1. Now left hand side, it is one monotonic decreasing function, as 3 over 6, 4 over 6, 5 over 6 less than 1. Now we know that a power x, when a is less than 1, it will give us the monotonic decreasing exponential graph. So function will be monotonic decreasing function. Right hand side we have 1. 1 is one constant function. So I will show one decreasing function and y equal to 1 line. So there will be only single point intersection. So we have to find out this intersection. So let us use hit and trial method. So I can write 3 power x plus 4 power x plus 5 power x equal to 6 power x, and it is confirmed that x is positive. So let me apply x equal to 1. 3 plus 4 plus 5. Is this equal to 6 power 1? So 12 cannot be equal to 6. So it is not. Let us consider x is equal to 2. So 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Is this equal to 6 square? So we will write 9 plus 16 plus 25. This is 50. 50 cannot be equal to 36. So we will reject this solution also, and let us consider x equal to 3. So 3 power 3 plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. Is this equal to 6 cube? 27 plus 64 plus 125 equal to 216. And if I will add all the three numbers, then it is 216, 216. So conclusion is the only solution which we were looking for, it is x is equal to 3. So our answer becomes x equal to 3. Now we can think about another approach also. It is using Newton's method or Newton's Raphson method. Let me write the general iteration formula. Xn plus 1, it is equal to Xn minus Fxn over F dash Xn. So we will consider our base or guess solution. Then we will get our answer after few iteration steps. Here it is, x is equal to 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck, take care of yourself and goodbye.